Christmas is fast approaching. So you guys, this year I noticed that there are so many advent calendars coming out, and I love the idea behind them. At my house, while I was growing up, my mom had an advent calendar, and you'd open up the door and there'd be a little ornament on the inside and you'd hang it onto the tree, and every year it would be a surprise as to what ornament was in the little box. So I want to share an advent calendar with you guys today, and this one is from Dermalogica. Mwah. You guys know I use a lot of Dermalogica's products. I love their pre-cleanse. I love so much stuff from them. But I'm going to show you their 12 Days of Glow gift set. This right here is $135, but the value is about $200. That is insane. So you're going to get a ton of products in here. If you guys want to open up your advent calendar with me, then I'm going to put all the timestamps down below so you can see them, so you can open up each day with me here. Like I said, this one is only 12 days. Let's jump into it. I'm going to open up the advent calendar first, and then I'm going to show you guys a little skincare routine using the products that we found. Yay! Here it is. Okay, so we're going to start with day one, obviously. Oh, the days are all mixed up. So they call it the 12 Days of Glow. Let the countdown to glowing skin begin. So we're just gonna pop, woo, this open right here. Okay. So day number one, oh my God, we got my favorite. So day number one is the pre-cleanse, which is an oil makeup remover that you pre-cleanse your face with. I kind of like this little bottle here. We could use this, perfect for travel. Most of the products that you're gonna find in the advent calendars are going to be travel size, which I love because it gives you an opportunity to try so many different products from the brand, but at the same time, it also gives you a lot of travel goodies so that you don't have to buy any yourself when traveling. So first one, day one, is the pre-cleanse. Comment down below if this is your fave, and let me know what days are your favorite from this advent calendar. Okay, so we have day number two. This one looks like a big one. Ooh, what's this? Okay, so day number two is the special cleansing gel from Dermalogica. This is a really great, just like your basic cleanser. I would put this in like my shower if my skin's feeling kind of sensitive. I like to use more gel cleansers. Day number tres, right here. Number three is this tiny little guy. Oh, he's so cute. So day number three is the Daily Microfoliant. I've used this before as well. I really, really like this. It's for smoothing, brightening, and it's a powder exfoliant. So you mix it in with a little bit of water and then you rub it all over your face. Day number four, oh my God, day number four is even bigger than number two. Ooh. Day number four is a multi-active toner. This is a pretty good size, 1.7 floor ounces in this little guy. It is a light facial toner that hydrates and refreshes. Number five is right here. Number five is the smallest of them all. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. So number five is, day five, is the Biolumin C Serum. So this is really great for brightening your skin. I did use this in a one brand skincare routine using Dermalogica products, which you'll probably see me use this once again. I like to use this in the morning to help really just brighten my skin. Then we have number six. Number six is the only one that's faced this way. Happy day 6 for those of you keeping tabs on the days that we're going through. Ooh, I've used this guy before. I've used so many of these products. This is the Stress Positive Eye Lift from Dermalogica. I wouldn't say this is great for super sensitive skin, especially underneath your eyes, but this is really great. I feel like the bags underneath my eyes are due to stress, and it is that's how I feel about it. It's just so annoying. So this is a great under eye cream if you feel like you're just going through the ringer. The holidays are very stressful. They are. Happy day number 7, everyone. 7 is right over here. Ooh, what's this guy? This is the Skin Smoothing Cream. This is a product I've actually have not tried before from Dermalogica. It is powered by Active Hydra Mesh technology. It infuses skin with 48 hours of continuous hydration and helps protect against environmental stress. I like that. Day number 8 is all the way up here. And we have the Dynamic Skin Recovery. This has SPF 50 in it. That is a lot of SPF. I would definitely say this is more focused on like the sunscreen. Haven't tried this before. But sunscreen is importante. Day number 9 is right next to number 8. And we have the Skin Perfect Primer. This one has SPF 30 inside of it. And it's supposed to smooth away fine lines and brighten and prime for flawless skin and to prep for makeup application. I've never tried this before. I've tried one primer. I'm not sure if it's in here. We've got only 3 days left to go. But I have tried one of Dermalogica's primers. It's like the pore filler primer. We have number 10. Ooh. This is like Christmas every day. I love this. Ooh, this looks like a fun one. This is the Rapid Reveal Peel. I have not tried this before, but this is an at-home peel. This is a product that I use very often. So I haven't tried this specific one from Dermalogica, but I try peels all the time, and they have changed my skin. I have a couple of acne scars. They go down right away. Depending on your skin sensitivity will depend on whether or not you would be able to use a product like this. There are some that are a little bit calmer than others. Happy day 11, if you're staying with me here. So number 11, okay. Oh, a mask. We got a little mask in here. This is the Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. I have not tried this one. It is ultra replenishing. It is an ultra replenishing mask, helps reduce stress, aged skin. So I feel like a lot of the products in here are really focused on definitely like 12 days to glow, definitely on glow, but definitely on very stressed skin. So I would definitely say if you're stressed 24/7 like this, like me over here, like this girl, you might like this. And it might be a little like stressed, make you a little more, less stressed when you open it every single morning. You keep it in your bathroom and you open up the day according to what day it is. Last but not least, thank you guys for sticking with me through this whole kind of like little unboxing reveal of the 12 Days to Glow with Dermalogica. If you're here on day 12 and you've been following along up until your day 12, thank you. Hi, welcome. Drum roll, please. Day 12. The last and final day. What do we have? Oh my goodness. You guys, I didn't even see these. They have little expert tips on the side. We're just gonna pretend like I just did not see them or they don't exist. I don't know. I tried this guy. So the last product in here is called the Sound Sleep Cocoon. It is the transformative night gel cream. So this I have tried before. When I'm really stressed, you guys, I have a lot of trouble actually getting a good night's sleep. I sleep as much as I can because sometimes I will go without, and that is not good for our health. So the Sound Sleep Cocoon really calms the skin, but not only that, the smell of it helps calm you. Hey, don't interrupt me. So while I was during the most stressful time of the year, which is Halloween, I tried to do a couple of things just to relax my mind, my body, and my skin for sure, and not be as stressed. I would take baths. I had my diffuser on. I would use different creams and things like that. A lot of the Dermalogica products that are meant to help relieve stress in the skin and smell a certain way. The Sound Sleep Cocoon smells very much like lavender, and it really, like when you smell it, it's just like, but I would also drink chamomile tea. There were so many things that I would do to just help, even if it were just a tiny bit, just help relieve the stress as much as I could. That is the last product from the 12 Days to Glow Advent Calendar from Dermalogica. Dermalogica, thank you for sending this over to me so I could share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you pick this up or you have picked this up, please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think that this is worth the dollar amount? Are you excited to try all of these products? I know for me personally, I love to try as many products as I can for you guys, and I love those mini kits so that I can do a full skincare routine and sit down with you guys and really try the products. So now that you've listened to me blab a ton, we're gonna go ahead and take off this makeup and do a little skincare routine using these Dermalogica products that we got in the 12 Days to Glow gift set. Does it get easier?
No. Yes. It gets easier. The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
I just don't know what I'm supposed to be.
You'll figure that out.
That's it for this skincare routine. My skin feels very refreshed. Let me know which day, if you followed along, which day was your favorite from the 12 Days of Glow from Dermalogica. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like these. That'll let me know if you guys want me to do more advent calendars, more unboxings like these, sneak peeks, reveals, ruin the surprise kind of unboxing. As always, make sure to click the subscribe button right here on the center of my face and check out all of my other skincare Sunday videos and skincare videos on the side. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye.